Hey everybody, welcome. This is a bidirectional driver update by Compass Control. So today in-house we have AMC audio. You can see that we have their line right over here. Right on top we have their XOI. Right in the middle we have their X86i. And at the very bottom we have their XG. We're going to be using our MC1000 for control, which is right on top. And you can actually see that we have our full GUI screen for this control. And we actually have controls for each device. Let's just look at the X86i. We have zones and inputs where you can select each zone and select an input accordingly. So let's just jump over to zone 2. You can see that the graphics change to say that the zone is off and muted. We can just hit input 1, which will turn the zone on, as well as give us volume control. And we can actually just bring that slider right up. A very popular feature in Compass, a slider. We can bring that slider down. We also have treble and bass control for each zone. If we were just to go up for a little bit for each one, you can see that the treble went up to 6 and the bass stayed at went up to 4. If you want to do group control, you may go down to group mode, where you can select a group setting to say everybody to source 3, and all the zones will actually go to source 3 for that input. And if you want to just do an off, you can do an off, which will disable the zones. And you have a single control from there again. So let's just turn zone 1 off. And you can see that everything changes right on the iPad itself, so you don't have to go up to that unit to check it. We also have controls for the XOI, which is their 4x4 controller. As you can see, there's only selecting 1 through 4. And we have 4 inputs on that side as well. And we also have controls for their amplifier, the XG, which has power on and off, as well as a few installer tools for test mode, firmware, reboot, and factory reset. And this is concluding our bidirectional driver update. This is AMC audio with Compass Control.